Oh my God. My computer slowed down to speeds I never even thought were possible. Oh my! It took half an hour for my laptop to restart because of this stupid antivirus program. Whatever the heck this thing is, I don't even know what. All you can do is scan. I'm clicking on settings and it's trying to open up a web page. It's just so slow. I can't even do anything on here. It is so ridiculously slow, guys. Like I said, it took forever to restart the computer. Do not get this program. I hate to say this about this new software here, but don't get it. It'll slow down your computer to no return, man. I'm surprised I got this far, man. I was about to log into safe mode and uninstall this piece of crap. I'm still gonna uninstall it, but man, jeez, Louise, my God. And don't even think about going to scan. If you click scan, your computer will freeze and you'll never be able to do anything. Do not get Sophos, guys. I don't recommend it unless you have a really fast computer. It'll just slow it down to like if you had a very slow one, I guess. I don't know what would happen. I don't know why that's popping up. I think I accidentally clicked on it. But yeah, it's bad, guys. I'm trying to go to settings here because that's the only other thing I see here. Share it. I ain't gonna share this worth of crap. I'm sharing it on this video, but as a negative, I'm gonna give this 1 star out of 5 just because there's no such thing as 0 stars, man. Holy crap! Do not get Sophos. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And I guess I'm the guinea pig for you guys. Do not install this on your computer. Trust me, you'll hate the rest of your day. My God. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I can't even stop the recording. You guys are probably gonna laugh at this one. I can't even stop the recording. My goodness. What the heck's going on here? Come on.